Okay, this is a section that we can send back. So, tell us where you are, Glenna.
I am on the river in my kayak, having a great time. Saw blue herring, no turtles yet. Saw a couple fish jumping, but I just keep losing lures. But I did find one of Dick's, I think. Does this look familiar, Dick? I've
had a Hottentot like that, yes. I'm sure other people have too. That's a Hottentot. It's a nice one. Yeah.
I make a scrapbook kind of thing out of them. Because when we go kayaking, we go trash and treasure. These are our treasures, and then we pick up trash in our kayaks to help clean up the rivers.
We've got a perfect day on the Kalamazoo River.
Beautiful.
It's about 70 degrees. It's a low current. The water's back down to close to normal, probably a little bit higher than normal, but close this time of year.
No bugs.
No bugs. No, bugs only when we launched. There's some mosquitoes there, but we got some repellent on, and that seemed to work very well.
Yep.
So. Whoa, got a hit right there, right away on that one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, smallmouth.
Did he get off?
I think so. Not off yet.
Man, the way he come up out of that water.
Yeah, he likes that big crawler. I don't know, this might be a keeper. Oh yeah, like that one the other day. Not quite as big, but I think it's probably big enough. One in here. Woohoo!
Oh, nice. Wow, wow.
Smallmouth time.
Nice.
I like the way it came up out of the water.
Yeah. Woo.
Oh no, it is 14.
Yeah.
Yep, 14 and a quarter. Nice. The hot time, the old town tonight. Yeah, I'm not sure you can get by that tree. You might be able to. Got another one. This could be another keeper. "13-inch smallie, and an inch too short." Another smallie, but too small. We got a fish on this one. Oh, good. That's a good sign. That's the plug. Oh, this could be a pike.
I was watching you casting.
Oh, that.
I'm a big help on it.
Yeah, catfish. That is a good sign for the catfish. This is a pretty big fish. Maybe you can hold it and I'll get the net. Feels like a catfish. Okay, go ahead and reel it some more. Yep. Good. Sweet. So the plug did pay off. Silver plug. Catfish finally hit it.
Wow, he's a pretty catfish.
Yeah.
Usually they're black, aren't they?
Yeah, no, they're speckled like that in here.
Wow.